In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect IG in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have your IG account connected to Tradingview and be ready to place trades directly from your chart. First, open Tradingview. This can be in your web browser or the desktop app. Wait for the platform to load so all menus are visible. Next, open your chart. If you're on the Tradingview homepage, click Chart at the top to launch a full chart window. If you already have a chart layout saved, it will open automatically. Make sure the chart is in focus, with the main toolbar and the bottom panel visible. Now, move to the bottom of the screen and click Trading Panel. It's in the toolbar below the chart, alongside other tabs like Data Window and Strategy Tester. Clicking Trading Panel opens a list of supported brokers you can connect to. From here, find IG in the list, select it, and click Connect. You'll see the IG logo and a Connect button next to it. Click once. And Tradingview will open a secure login window for IG. If a pop-up is blocked, allow the pop-up for Tradingview so the IG sign-in can appear. On the IG login screen, log into your IG account and authorize the connection. Enter your IG credentials carefully, then confirm any prompts to grant Tradingview access. You may be asked to approve the integration. This is normal and lets Tradingview place orders on your behalf through your IG account. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your IG account, complete that verification when prompted. Once you authorize, the window will close and Tradingview will update your connection status. At this point, you should see IG listed as connected in the trading panel. Your account name or number and balance may appear, and the buy and sell controls will become active on the chart. This confirms the connection is live and trading is enabled. You can now place trades directly from Tradingview. Deal with IG connected, use the on-chart order panel or the buy and sell buttons to open positions. When you click buy or sell, an order ticket will appear where you can review quantity, order type, and risk settings before you confirm. You can also right-click on the chart to open the order dialog at a specific price level. After placing an order, your open positions and orders will display in the trading panel so you can monitor them in real time. If you need to disconnect later, return to the trading panel and manage the connection from the same IG tile. If anything doesn't appear as shown, double-check that you're in the Trading Panel tab at the bottom of the chart and that the IG login window wasn't blocked. Also confirm you completed the authorization step. Without approval, Tradingview can't route orders to IG. Once authorized, the connected status and trading buttons on the chart are your confirmation that it's ready. That's it. Your IG account is now connected in Tradingview, and trading from the chart is active and available. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.